What's up, guys? Day 2 here of Missouri's youth season. It's Sunday. Yesterday we had some success with Sam. We're able to bag his first gobbler. Now it's Jaden's turn. He went out yesterday by himself and didn't have much luck. So we're going to try and go out this morning and see if we can have the same luck we had yesterday with Sam and see if we can get him his first turkey. We got big sister Haley over here. She's going to be running the camera. Should be a good day. A lot better weather today than yesterday. There's one too up there. Well, guys, we had our first gobble at 6:50 or 5:50. It's now 6:15. We're set up 150 yards from two gobblers. We're down in this little field. Got Haley and Jaden over there. I'm sitting back here and calling. Ain't gonna call them till they get down, but I'll go ahead and see if I can't get them to gobble with the hoot out. Shoot again, shoot again, shoot again. Oh, you got him. You got him. Hell yeah, buddy. Good job.
They were gobbling all morning, and we set up, and then he ended up going on top of the ridge. So we had to walk up there, and we walked right up on top of him. We had to back up, sit down, and
called him in, and
walked right into us. And
there's 4 of them, right? 4 or 5?
Yep.
About 15 yards. First turkey ever.
Yep.
How do you feel?
Excited.
You're excited?
It's fun.
Good. I think we got another one hooked. Hope so. Puts an end to my youth turkey season. We were able to bag 2 birds off of here, and now we're heading home about 7 o'clock. We'll see you April 19th.